Oh. Oh. Do you want to come past slow? Good boy, what a good boy. Well done. Not nice passing bikes in here because it echoes very loud. If we turn you to see them, they don't come up behind you. Job done. Good boy. That was nice and calm. And we get a bit twitchy down here, don't you, with the bikes. And a nice polite man waited, didn't he? Right. Good boy. A little bit busier today because of half term. There's hazards everywhere today, aren't there, Goose? Look on, good boy. Go behind. Oh, don't want to. Boy. Hiya. Oh, there's somebody behind the wall. Oh, that's handy, isn't it? Great. Right, okay. Well, what we're going to do, we're going to go on the other side. Always collecting twigs. Hiya. Hi. Can you just not throw anything just till I've got past? Yeah. Thanks, boys. Good boy. That's a good boy. Gosh, it's 5 minutes of hazards. Go on, let's stay on the side here, it's just as safe, isn't it? In fact, I think it's probably safer to cross to this side, on this bend. See us immediately. Go on. Go on. Windy. What's this thing doing now? Okay. There's a wide berth. We'll stay on the side, Goose. Alright, come on. Walk on. Oh, it's quite busy. Go on.